Welcome to intlx360. This is a brief overview of continuity management. The continuity management dashboard ensures that the team can validate, access, and manage backup files for critical systems with ease. It supports disaster recovery, ransomware mitigation, and operational continuity by enabling secure one-click retrieval of validated system backups from various platforms such as AADS, CMS, SMGR, and CM. Customer backups. This panel displays a structured list of customer backup records showing essential metadata such as date, customer, product, file name, file size, associated asset, and a secure download link. Each entry corresponds to a specific backup file stored for redundancy and recovery purpose.